eat right most of the time. And I work out, and after I had babies, I just have the cellulite. I'm just really hoping it will smooth out the back of my legs. I have dimples in my booty, which I really hope are gone. I just want to be able to wear, you know, shorts and a bathing suit and feel confident. Just like all women, I think that we're all into the way we look and our appearance, and we just, you know, there's certain things that we need a little help on, and you know, that's why I'm interested in Cellfina. I had some pretty deep dimples, and now they've popped out, and they're no longer there. So I mean, it definitely works. I want to walk around in a string bikini. Not that I'm going to. I can. No more dimples. So I'm so happy with the results, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone.